So amidst all the time, amidst all the chaos, amidst all the glamour, the Messi fans continue to wait at the Arun Jaitley Stadium. And I managed to get one of them here. And I've got the ultimate Messi fan here. Yeah, what's your name? Anushka, and Virat's going to come today.
Oh yes, I'm very excited about that.
Okay, so Anushka is waiting not just for Messi but also for Virat as well. Okay. When did you become a Messi fan?
About 3 to 5 years.
Oh, the peak of Messi's dominance, is it? What is your most favorite moment when you have to look at it? I mean, is it the World Cup triumph? Is it his Barcelona exploit? What is
Then
it?
I got to his he made retire. Then the thrill about him winning the World Cup, it was amazing.
Okay, how much did you age in the World Cup final?
A lot.
Okay, because see, in that World Cup final, do you think that as a Messi fan, you cried, you laughed, you hollered? What did you do when you won that? What was the first reaction when you won that?
I experienced a lot of things. It's crazy how he won. It was breathtaking. Amazing. Iska Barca, Iska Catalonia. Thank you.
Aha. But then how did your love for Barcelona come?
Okay, Barca, for me, to be honest, all players are amazing over there. No one can change my mind about that.
Okay. But then, okay, the continuous debate about Ronaldo and Messi, I mean,
Messi, always the good.
but then don't your friends trouble you? Because I'm sure you have friends who are divided on Messi and Ronaldo. Right?
That's not going to change my mind. Ronaldo is good, Messi is always going to be better.
Do you think he'll play 2026? Or do you think he will
He
retire
better.
on a high?
He better. He better.
But then, okay, one last question, Anushka. Virat and Messi, who's the biggest superstar when you have to look at?
Oh my god. This is a hard question, but I'm going to go with Messi. Messi is always going to be the GOAT.
The
Thank
GOAT.
you.
And you are from Delhi only, and what
Yes,
do you do?
I'm from Delhi. I'm a footballer. I play national level in Sabruto.
Oh, you're a footballer, okay, and which club do you play for?
I don't play for a club right now, but I am playing for my school. I have gone for defense related national tournaments.
Okay,
one
and
of it.
what is your favorite position?
I play right wing, but my favorite position is striker, even though a lot of effort is required.
But why not Messi's position?
Messi's position is amazing, but it's hard to get.
It's hard to get. So, if you get a glimpse of him, how close would you want it to be?
I would like to be right there. I would want to be.
You got it. Okay, so this is the one from Rosario. Yep, from Rosario all the way to Delhi. This is the way fans are gearing up for this mega spectacle. Hope Anushka can meet both Messi and Virat, and not the other Anushka. Is it?
Oh yeah, hoping.
All right. Okay. So thank you so much, Anushka, for your time. We'll get you more interactions of fans in the stadium for the GOAT tour. The last few hours of this GOAT tour. And Anushka is a symbol of that fan. Bye bye.